हाय फ्रेंड्स। तो आज की वीडियो में अपन सीखेंगे फैक्टराइजेशन, व्हाट इज फैक्टराइजेशन एंड हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व द सम ऑफ द मैथ्स एंड द नेम ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इज फैक्टराइजेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स लेट स्टार्ट। तो फ्रेंड देखिए, आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 15ab स्क्वायर माइनस 20a स्क्वायर बी। अब फ्रेंड्स पहले तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि फैक्टराइजेशन होता क्या है, फैक्टराइजेशन को कैसे करते हैं, क्या फॉर्मूलेज यूज होते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ फॉर्मूला इज यूजिंग इन इट एंड हाउ कैन वी डू दिस, व्हाट इज फैक्टराइजेशन। देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चन। सो फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज फैक्टराइजेशन। तो फ्रेंड्स फैक्टराइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस और वी कैन से इट इज अ थिंग. You can see in a question that in factorization this is the form in a minus b, or you can say there is the sign of minus and plus. But friends when you solve it, they are coming in multiplies. There are two terms and the answer there is also two terms. There will also two terms and it should in multiply. So friends, how can we solve it? So let's go. So friends, see 15ab square minus 20ab square. First we have to find the common thing in it. What is common? Okay, so friends we have to find the common thing from it, and for finding the common things we have to take LCM. So friends, first the LCM of 15 is, first you can take a table of 3. By it will come in 5 times and then 5, and the factors will come 3 and 3 into 5. Now 20, friends, 2, this come 10, then again 2, this come 5 and 5. So friends, you can see there is a common things which is 5. Okay, now see, it is a single a only, so we can put here only single a. B square means b into b. Okay, and in it a square means a into a, and single b only b. Now friends, what is common? A is also common and 1b common. So friends, we take 5 common into 5ab. Okay, this is common. Now put left number in bracket. Now divide the 5ab into 15 like this, 15ab into b. Okay, and 5ab. b से b cut, 5 3 to 15 and a cut by a. What is left? 3b. So friends, here comes 3b. Sign is will remain same, minus minus. 5 4 the 24. A only single a, b will cut. So friends, the answer is 5ab into 3b minus 4a. Okay friends, I think you should understand. Now we should go on next question. So friends, see, AR plus BR plus AT plus BT. Okay friends, in it make the two forms, make the two groups of 2 like this. Now friends, there is the two group. Now what is common in AR plus BR? R is common. You can see R is common. Okay, what remain? A, when AR is divided by R, what left? A is left, plus BR will divided by R, so what left? B left, so A plus B. Now put here plus because the sign will remain same. What is common in it? T is common. Okay, after gone T, what is remain from it? A is remain, plus sign will remain same, and in it B is remain. Okay, now what is common in it? Now what is common from the both? A plus b both are common, so we take a plus b. Okay, now what I said in the beginning, that in factorization we have to convert the equation of plus minus subtraction into multiply. Okay friends, we have to convert them. Now this will come in, so friends it will come in multiply position. Okay, now when we divide r into a plus b with a plus b, then what remain? R is left, sign will remain same. Now when we divide t into a plus b with a plus b, what remain? T is remaining, then t is here. Now when, if you are wanting to check your question that your answer is right or wrong, so solve it, multiplying it. When you multiply it, this will come out, question will come. Okay, so by this process you can check. Now go on some tough questions, like take it a plus b into x square plus y square minus xy, a square plus b square. Okay friends, now how can we solve it? So friends, so first we have to change it in 4 forms. Okay, 4 forms matlab like this. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So we have to change it. How can we change? We have to multiply it and solve it. When we multiply ab into x square, so what will come? When we multiply ab into x square plus yy, so what will come? So friends, when we multiply it, answer is coming abx square plus aby square. Okay, now put here minus, because the sign will remain same. xy multiply by a square, so what is come? xy a square plus sign will remain same. No. Now friends, here is a twist. What is the twist? Twist is that when I think you already studied it in your earlier classes, that when you divide multiply any minus digit or negative digit to the positive digit, the answer will come in minus. So friend, this is in bracket. What is the meaning of bracket? Multiply in the number xy, this is in form of negative, so when we multiply, this will change in minus. Okay, here is the plus, so it will not change. Okay friends, when we multiply it, see this change in minus. xy multiply by b square, what will come? xy b square. Okay, now here is 4 form, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay friends, now what we have to do? We have to make the pair, or we have to separate it. Okay friends, see now friends, what we have to do? This is our in 4 forms. Now friends, if we change it, then it will come. So friends, what we have to do? We have to change the form, change the term. I mean that here is abx square. Now put it at, now put it at here and put it at here. Okay friends, so see that when we put it a minus xy a square and put it at here plus aby square minus xy b square. Now friends, what we have to do? We change it. Now see what is common in it. What is common? A is common because there are 2a, but there are 1a. So what is common? 1a is common, and x is also common because there are 2x and there is only 1x. So x is common. Ax is common. Now what remains? B remains and 1x remains. So bx Okay, sign is minus. In it, what is remain? Y remain and 1a remain. So y a remain. Okay, sign. Now what is the sign you want to put? Okay, I think we have to put minus. Okay, this is your choice. Now I put here minus. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common things. B is also one b is common and one y common. So by is common in it. After the gone of by, what remains? Ay remains. Okay. If the outer sign is minus, then the interior sign will change. Okay friends, so what is here? It is in plus, it is in positive form. So what will it after the changes? It will in minus form. Now minus y a. Now here is minus, y is come. Now if it is in minus, the sign will change. It will in plus form. After the gone of by, what remain? This is remain bx. Bx is remaining. Now this is the position like this. You can see. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common from this two terms. B minus y a, you can say, or minus ay. This is same. So friends, it is common in it, and they both are common. So what we have to put here? We have to put bx minus ya. Okay, in this bracket, and in second bracket, after gone it, what remains? Ax remain, and when it will go on from it, what will remain? Minus by remain. Okay, our answer is come. So friends, I think today's video is interesting and some helpful for you. So friend, I will see you in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and subscribe my channel and like also.